With the rapid spread of additive manufacturing processes, many new requirements for post-processing are emerging. On one hand, the variety of materials as well as the necessary post-processing steps pose great challenges for users. From depowdering, separating from the substrate plate, support removal to surface smoothing. Through deburring, grinding, and polishing, a multitude of stations with various tools must be passed through. On the other hand, post-processing releases chips, powder residues, or dusts that can be skin irritating, respirable, and extremely harmful to health. The long-term risks range from pneumoconiosis to cancer. Various materials are also reactive and can easily ignite or explode. Particular attention must therefore be paid to the protection of the user. Joke Technology has, with the latest version of the world's unique ENESKA process, elevated the post-processing of additively manufactured components to a completely new and safe level. This intelligent solution is equipped with various electric and pneumatic tools as well as powerful extraction devices. Thus, all post-processing steps can be carried out in a single safe workstation. The large hand openings guarantee full freedom of movement. Individually adjustable fixing aids prevent workpieces from slipping. Additional accessories such as magnetic clamping balls or clamping tables can be easily integrated. The large working space allows for multiple components to be placed inside and processed one after the other. This avoids unnecessary loading and unloading as well as repeated opening of the station. The flap is made entirely of laminated safety glass. It thus allows a perfect view of the workpiece to be processed from every perspective. Optionally available magnifying glasses, which can be easily attached to the glass, also provide an enlarged view. The workspace can be opened wide and is easily accessible. There is no loading edge. This makes it very easy to load even large, heavy parts. Additionally, the system has a loading flap through which parts can be introduced from above using a crane. The integrated compressed air gun allows for effective removal of powder residues. For the various post-processing steps, the station offers connection options for both electric micromotor and pneumatic systems. This allows access to a wide range of devices and tools, whether hammers, chisels, ablative saws, grinders, and much more. All of this makes it possible to perform a wide variety of tasks at a single station, whether it's removing powder residues, separating from the substrate plate, removing supports, or finishing the surface. Special attention was given during the development of the station to the complete and safe extraction of the dust and powder residues generated. It was important not only to ensure that the user is fully protected from harmful substances, but also that the system provides sufficient protection even with critical materials like titanium or aluminum. The functions and performance of the extraction system, as well as all other safety-relevant features, are fully geared towards the protection and safety of the user. This also means that cross-material work in the system is almost unrestrictedly possible. The extraction system, including the filter and collection container, is easily accessible, making disposal, cleaning, and filter replacement very simple. Depending on the material, the corresponding safety standards must, of course, be observed. The ENESKApostprocess, the FSX fine dust measurement automation process, continuously monitors the dust concentration inside the station and displays the value on the control display. To ensure that users do not come into contact with fine dust and powder residues during rework, the system locks during use. At the same time, the air in the workspace is continuously extracted. The extraction power is so strong that the air inside is completely exchanged within a few seconds. Only after this process is the system unlocked. The chip tray where support residues and chips collect is easily accessible and can be simply pulled out for cleaning. After completing the work, a special cleaning process is activated using special air showers. Fine dust that has collected in the corners is specifically extracted by swirling. Last but not least, special importance was given to ergonomics. The optional electric height adjustment allows the system to be adapted to the needs of different users. The lighting inside is also adjustable to the work environment and the user's requirements. With a variety of accessories, the system can also be customized to create an optimal workspace, whether through different gloves, fixations, and much more. The ENESKA post-process bridges the gap after the printing process and post-processing, replacing a multitude of different workstations, with a single unit that provides the user with the flexibility and above all the protection required for optimal and complete post-processing. Feel free to contact us for a non-binding demonstration appointment.